Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MDaemon Cloud to Excel. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Select MDaemon Cloud. Enter MDaemon Cloud credential. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want to convert. Click on CSV. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted Excel files.